Hello guys, we're gonna start chapter 11-2. Yesterday we did chapter 11-1. We talked about the area and perimeter of a parallelogram and a triangle. And today we're talking about trapezoid, which looks kind of like the top of the Pizza Hut logo, and then a rhombi and a kite. So we're gonna be talking about the area of these two. Let's start with the area of a trapezoid. Okay. Now notice that a trapezoid is a trapezoid because it has one pair of parallel sides, which would be these sides here would be parallel to each other, and the area for that would be, so AT, area of a trapezoid, that's going to be 1/2 times your height times your base 1 plus your base 2. Okay, now here, so your base 1 could either be the one on the top or in the bottom, right? So this here could be your base 1, this here could be your base 2, right? And then your height is going to be this here. So that right there is going to be your height. Okay, so you're going to multiply, you're going to add up the base 1, the base 2, you're going to multiply that by the height, and then you're going to divide it by 2. Or you can multiply it by half. It's the same, gives you the same thing. Okay, so this here is going to be the area of a trapezoid. Now the way you're going to see the question on the quiz, you might see it like this. Area of trapezoid is equal to 1 divided by 2 times h parentheses b1 plus b2. Okay, so that's how you're going to be seeing it on the quiz, so FYI. So just that 1/2 is going to be in parentheses. Okay, now going on to a rhombi and a kite. Slash kite. Okay, now I'm trying my best to draw these. Let's see. Okay, now both of these, the rhombis and the kite, they both have diagonals. My diagonals would be these here. That would be one diagonal, and this here would be my second diagonal, and that's actually what we're going to be using to find the area. Okay, so the area of a kite or a rhombi, they're the same, okay, is going to be 1/2 times your diagonal 1 times your diagonal number 2. Okay, so you're going to multiply whatever this distance is, that's be your first diagonal, times your second diagonal, divided by 2, or multiplied by 1/2. Okay, now the way you're going to see this on the quiz, all you have is area of a kite is going to be parentheses 1/2 close parentheses diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Okay, so that's how you're going to be seeing it in the quiz. So you're going to have 3 questions on the quiz. The first one's going to be, what is the area of a trapezoid? So the area of a trapezoid, and that's going to be 1/2 times your height times base 1 plus base 2. Okay, the second question is going to be, what is the area, how do you find the area of a kite? Kite. Okay, and that is going to be 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Okay, and then be asking for the area of a rhombus or rhombi, and it's going to be the same thing, so 1/2 times diagonal 1 times your second diagonal. Okay, And then the fourth question is going to be what's the color of my hat? The color of the hat I'm wearing today. And this is actually going to be black. So that's going to be the fourth question. The first question, the area of a trapezoid. Second, area of a kite. Third, area of a rhombus. And the last question will be what is the color of my hat? That's going to be black. Okay. Stay safe, guys. Wash your hands. Let me know if you guys need help.